Dumpster rental service in Highland Village, Texas. When it comes to waste removal, you need a dumpster rental service you can rely on. If you're in Highland Village, Texas, Insta-Dump is here to help. For homeowners, businesses, and contractors, Insta-Dump provides an efficient, dependable dumpster rental service in Highland Village, Texas. Whether you're working on a home renovation, a construction project, or even a significant cleanout, we have the right solution. With Insta-Dump, you get fast delivery and pickup, ensuring that your project stays on track without the hassle of dealing with waste piling up. Serving Highland Village and the surrounding areas, Insta-Dump is proud to be a trusted name in waste management throughout Denton County and beyond. Our professional team is dedicated to helping you choose the perfect dumpster size for your needs. We offer flexible rental periods and competitive pricing. Don't let waste slow down your project. Call Insta-Dump today at 940-231-6399 and let us make waste removal easy for you.